This is the Random Man back with another video. Today is going to be on my Craftsman 4.5 horsepower Tecumseh engine. I got it starting. I got it running. It was the family lawnmower quite the bit ago. And it was just, we moved into this house and it was rented. It's rented, but the landlord mows the lawn, so I don't really have a use for this. But we're moving and we need a mower. So I decided I'm gonna get this thing running so we don't waste money. And I was like, well, we might as well not waste a lawnmower. So I replaced the carburetor. You can clearly see because the primer bulb is new, and you can see the color difference. This color is way dirtier than this one because this carburetor is new. If you're wondering why this is duct taped on, it's because the one on the old carburetor, I tried unscrewing it and it just dripped out the screws. I tried using a rubber band, it just didn't work. So I just figured, this'll work, because I don't know how long this thing will last. So it'll work for now, and had to get a new spark plug. It's one for a car. And so, yeah. I am also going to shout out Craig L. for telling me what the wire connection thing was for on the what was that vacuum called? The Electrolux Special Edition upright. Yeah. And the handlebar thing, just when I lifted it up to test it after I replaced the carburetor, popped, and I didn't know what to do. So I just zip tied it, and at first it wouldn't work. And then I just tightened it after we got a ton of stuff for it to get it running, and got some starting fluid, and then it ran before I even used the starting fluid. So now I am going to start it up. And if you want another video on this thing, just ask. But I'm going to start it up also. I have this thing so it can come out just because it can be hard to start. Now, I'm going to start it up. Hopefully it'll start. Ooh. I'm going to try priming it again. Now it should run. All close. Ran for a minute. You gotta do that a few times in order for it to stay running. Well, I gotta prime it again. You just gotta keep priming it because this thing's old. Oh, so close. Attempt 3. Go. Okay, I'm going to get this thing started off camera, and then I can show you it running. And, okay, I'm going to start showing it. I got it idling. Now it'll be easier to start now it's warm. So, there. want to see, if you want to see a part 2 to this, just ask in the comments below. Hope this has interested some of you. I'm gonna make a part 2 soon, like tomorrow-ish, if it isn't snowing. But I am going to quickly grab something. The video turtle, Z-Man.